This is what the hotel for CRST Hawkeye, Iowa location. When you come in the door, it's a little closet, and the bathroom is filled with bunch of nice stuff. They have those things, hair dryers, bunch of different lights, and they have all the towels that you need. And now when you go this way, the shower is very nice. The water comes out. Huge. While the shower comes out, and very decent place. This is what the door looks like. And then when you go outside, this is what it looks like, the room. This is a microwave. There's a coffee. Some stuff that you need for your coffee. And microwave, and they also have the fridge. If you need the fridge, they have the fridge. Big TV right here, and the room for each person, and also there is this like mirror on the wall. Two people, very decent environment. And they also change your sheets every day, so you get a new sheets every day. Some little lights, and you have a phone if you need to call somebody. So pretty much it's very decent, the hotel. And they've got air conditions. Everything about this hotel is really nice. They also have a mirror right there. Mirror. They provide breakfast and lunch, and they provide breakfast and lunch. Now if you see this mirror, this is actually a mirror. That different mirror. Breakfast and lunch. The bus will come here to pick you up in the morning, and you'll be spending all your time here until you get your license. This is what I'm cooking here. Microwave. This is like Chinese food, orange chicken. Very decent. It's very cheap. Also the food is very cheap around here. But if you're coming to school, it's hot. It's good to come in with money. You have to have at least a few $100 to come in. This location is a Hawkeye, Waterloo, Iowa. This is not NADA CRST. This is a school they send you. This is like a community college. It is a community college in Waterloo, Iowa. CRST contract with the college, and the college will teach you driving, classroom, and everything that you need to get a CDL. They have their own certified DMV certified trainers and examiners, and before you get to the exam, road test, skill test, and everything else, this is where you're gonna be. and they will help you accomplish everything. And if there's any question, let me know.